Hello everyone, welcome to the Jazz Playground, where each time we invite all of you to dance and sing to the sounds of swing. And today we'll be doing exactly that. But before we get started, I'd just like to remind you, if you enjoy hanging out with us here at the Jazz Playground, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media. You can donate via PayPal, and you can find all of this information on our website, which is of course thejazzplayground.com. So yes, today we're going to be learning a brand new song. Perhaps it's a song you've heard before, and it is called Heads, Shoulders, Knees and Toes. And it's a really fun one to learn because the words are the dance moves, so it's very easy to sing and dance along. For example, if you hear me saying the word heads, we put our hands on our head, or shoulders, we touch our shoulders. We'll hear things like ears and eyes and mouth and nose. So all you have to do is follow the words and join in with the dance moves. But it's going to feature our friend Nica, who will show you how those dance moves work, and some other friends playing some other instruments as well. So once we've watched the video one time and joined in, I'm going to be joined by my friend Rossen, who will show us some other ways that we can get involved with the video as well, learning some new rhythms and discovering some of the instruments that we saw in the video too. So here is heads, shoulders, knees and toes, and we'll see you on the other side. Okay everyone, I'm sure you've already recognized this song, but this is of course heads, shoulders, knees and toes. And it's a really fun one to join in with because the dance moves are the words. When you hear heads, put your hands on your head, or shoulders, put your hands on your shoulders, and so forth. All you have to do is follow our friend Nica. Nica will show you exactly which dance move to use and enjoy listening to some of the instruments as we go. Shall we try it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, let's try dancing again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, excellent dancing everyone. Now, can we try that a little bit faster? Are you up to the task? Shall we try it twice as fast? Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. One more time. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. excellent singing and dancing, everyone. Now, as well as singing and dancing along to the song, there are some other ways we can get involved with the song as well. So I'm here with my friend Rossen. Hi, Rossen.
Hi, Ben.
And Rossen, I believe you're going to help show us some of the other things we can do to join in with the video as well if we watch it a second time.
Sure, let's take a look at the instruments that we had in this song. I played the drums, Ben played the tenor saxophone, and we had our friend Manu, who joined us on piano, and our friend Trifon, who played the upright bass. But first, let's start with the drums. We talked about the drums many times, and I explained about the bass drum and the snare drum, and you can go back and watch those videos. But today, what I wanted to show you is another instrument that I used a lot in this video, and this is the tambourine. Tambourine is a really cool instrument that you can do a lot of different things with it. You can hit it with a hand like this. You can shake it. Hope that's not too loud. Or you can even take a stick, which is what I did in the video, and you can play it like this. Let's take a look and see how that sounds with the drum set.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
So this was the drum set with the tambourine. Now, Ben, what did you play? Can you tell us a little bit more about your instrument?
Yeah, this is an instrument we've seen before at the Jazz Playground. But to refresh your memory, this is the tenor saxophone. And it's quite a big instrument. It's got a lot of keys, and this one's a very old one. It's from about 70 years ago, so that's why it kind of looks very old and maybe a little bit rusty, but it still plays really, really well. And that's the instrument you heard me playing in the song. So Rossen, who were the other two friends who joined us, and what instruments were they playing?
Ben, before we take a look at the other instruments, let's listen to the tenor saxophone solo in the song so everyone can hear how that sounds.
One more time.
So this was the tenor saxophone, and as I mentioned earlier, our friend Manu joined us on piano. He didn't play the acoustic piano or the grand piano, but he had an electric piano for this song. Let's take a look and see how that sounds.
Okay, let's try dancing again.
So we saw Rossen's tambourine along with his drum set. We saw my tenor saxophone. We just saw a little bit of Manu playing the piano. And the fourth member of our band, our fourth musician, was our friend Trifon, who's playing the double bass, which we've seen at the Jazz Playground before. Rossen, shall we take a quick look at how the double bass sounds?
Sure, let's see.
So now we've learned a little bit about all the instruments we see in the song. I think it's time for us to learn some other ways that we can join in. Perhaps we can play our very own instrument by using our hands to clap along. Now, Rossen, I think there was actually some notes on the screen that we can learn how to use in order for us to clap and join in with the song.
Yes, there were two rhythms that we used in this song. Here's the first one that we have. Before I explain the rhythm, the two lines with the two dots on both sides, that's the repeat sign. That means that we'll just repeat that over and over again. And the first rhythm that we have is on beat 1, we have a quarter note rest. So we just rest, we don't do anything. Beat 2, another rest, we don't do much. And then on beat 3, we have a quarter note, and that's when we clap, right? And then on beat 4, another quarter note rest. So this one is really simple, but it's actually kind of tricky because we have to make sure we count all the time, right? It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Ben, I'm sure you noticed because you played and sang in the song as well, but the first part of the song is really slow, right? So it feels like really relaxed, but the tempo is actually not that slow at all. So pay attention to how the numbers change from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and obviously there are claps on beat 3. Let's take a look and listen and see if we can clap along to the first verse of the song.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
So that was our rhythm for the first part of the song, but you may have noticed the first time you watched that it gets a little faster, or something changes in the middle. And Rossen, I believe that means that the rhythm changes a little bit as well. So what happens in the second half of the song?
So yes, Ben, in the second part of the song, everything gets twice faster, and you can notice even Nica dances twice faster. She does all the dance moves twice faster. But the rhythm and the counting stays the same. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, they still remain in the same tempo, but we have a new rhythm. So in this one, on beat 1, we have a rest. And then on beat 2, we have a quarter note, and that's where we clap. Beat 3 is a rest, and beat 4 is a clap. And you guys are all familiar with that rhythm from our, when we talked about jazz and swing, how we clap on beats 2 and 4. So again, this one goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look and listen how that sounds in the song.
One more time. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
So now that we've learned about some of the instruments we see in the song and learned some rhythms that we can use to clap along with the song as well, shall we try listening to the song one more time? This time, listen carefully to the instrument. See if you can recognize the sound of the piano or the sound of the bass or the sound of the saxophone or the tambourine. And of course, you can use some of those rhythms we learned to clap as well. So lots of things to join in with as you watch this song again and again. So let's say bye to Rossen before we watch the video one more time. Thanks, Rossen.
Thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the video one more time. Bye for me.
Okay everyone, I'm sure you've already recognized this song, but this is of course heads, shoulders, knees and toes. And it's a really fun one to join in with because the dance moves are the words. When you hear heads, put your hands on your head, or shoulders, put your hands on your shoulders, and so forth. All you have to do is follow our friend Nica. Nica will show you exactly which dance move to use and enjoy listening to some of the instruments as we go. Shall we try it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Head, shoulders, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, let's try dancing again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, excellent dancing everyone. Now, can we try that a little bit faster? Are you up to the task? Shall we try it twice as fast? Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. One more time. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
So thanks for joining us at the Jazz Playground today. Did you all have fun singing and dancing along to Heads, Shoulders, Knees and Toes? What was your favourite instrument that you discovered in the video? And remember, you can watch again and again and listen to all the different sounds, try all the different dance moves, try clapping along just like we learned. So that's it today for the Jazz Playground. Remember, if you enjoyed watching, you can like, subscribe, follow us on social media. We have a number of other videos on our YouTube channel that you can watch as well. You can donate via PayPal, and you can find all of this on our website, which is thejazzplayground.com. So until next time, everyone, we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.